representations that were made to people that this was going to be protected, this was going to be private, nobody was going to know about it. To the contrary, that was not what happened.
Information about your health conditions should remain private and not wind up on the other end of a Google search. And that is why local attorneys say they have filed a federal lawsuit, the first of its kind, related to COVID-19 contact tracing. Meghan Schiller talked with the lead attorneys about why they claim Pennsylvania's Department of Health failed to take action.
Do you remember at the height of the pandemic when local leaders said, you need to pick up the phone when the contact tracers call? Would you please give them the information that they're asking for? Turns out a new federal lawsuit claims that some of the people that did just that are now compromised in a statewide data breach. How would you like your private health information to live on the internet for months? That's what these attorneys say allegedly happened in Pennsylvania.
I think we would all agree that there is nothing more personal than a person's private health information.
Phil DeLacente is just one of the attorneys listed on this federal class action lawsuit filed against the PA Department of Health and Insight Global Incorporated. The company contracted for COVID-19 contact tracing across the Commonwealth, an important job that would require total security.
And how does being paid $29 million lead to you using a Google document and private personal Gmail accounts rather than some sort of secured internal server?
Internal emails obtained by these attorneys allegedly show employees at Insight Global knew about the lack of passwords or encryptions used to safeguard this information.
We're not just talking about someone's name. We're not just talking about someone's gender or their phone number or their sexual orientation or their gender presentation or their family size or members of their family, but health data, the place that they work.
The Atlanta-based company's own website admits to a breach of data, saying the breach only affected some people, adding anyone affected will be notified by mail. Attorney Ken Nolan said the ramifications could include identity theft or COVID discrimination.
You look at persons who are applying for a job, and there is information that should not be available on Google that was available on Google for these potential employers.
And we now know that local lawmakers are taking action. There is a hearing planned for Tuesday morning in the PA Senate. We, of course, will keep you posted when we learn more on who is expected to testify. Reporting downtown tonight, Meghan Schiller, KDKA News.